Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Gloria Love is on the beauty. How are you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. If you are new on my channel, you are highly welcome. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel and you have been watching my video, what are you still waiting for? Please do subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notification on so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. If you are my new subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. For my old subscriber, I really appreciate each and every one of you all. Thank you so much for always stopping by to watch my video. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. So guys, in today's video, I am back with another video. Guys, for my last video, I talked about what I hate in Italy. And for this new video, I will be talking about what I love about Italy. So guys, stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Every night they always clean their city. I'm talking about my city. I don't know about other city, but every night they always make sure that they leave everywhere clean. You know, they clean everywhere. They leave all the environment clean. Yeah, I love them about that. They always concentrate on their work. So the second one I will be talking about what I love in Italy is the second one I will be talking about what I love in Italy is in Italy you can go out as you want, you can come in as you want, you can go out in the night, you can anyhow you want, you can walk as long as you want. I mean, you can go out, you can walk. In fact, you can walk in the night. There's no need for you to be afraid. No need for you to be afraid. Like, you know what I mean? You will not be afraid of someone will harm me, someone will do this to me, someone will do that to me, someone will hold me with a gun, something like that. In Italy, you are free to go out as you want, both night and day. When you are going out, free your mind, nothing will happen to you. You are free to go out as you want. I love them about that. Yeah, I really love them about that. Even if you are at home, even if you feel like leave your door open, you are free to leave your door open. You will go and come back, your door will still be there open. Nobody will come in and started asking you money. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I love them about that. In Italy, what that I will talking about what I love in Italy is when you are told and you feel sick and that sickness is very expensive. You cannot go out, you cannot do anything, you cannot help yourself. You are free to call emergency, you are free to call ambulance, call emergency ambulance. Before you know it, they are there already. As far they ask you your address, everything about you, and you tell them your address, before you know, they are there already. They will take you to the hospital. Even if they have a lot of people in that hospital that they want to attend to, as far you are an emergency, they don't know if that person is dying or a minute to die, they are going to attend to that person immediately. They bring that person to hospital, they are going to attend to that person immediately. I love them about that. Seriously, I love what they are doing. I love what they are doing. And I will still be talking about their police, their carabinieri. I love what they are doing too. If you are having any problem and you cannot solve it, and you are having issue with someone and you call police, you know, when you call police, when police come, they are going to ask questions. What is going on? What really went wrong? What is going on? I love them about that because they always ask questions. They don't judge people anyhow without asking what is going on. They don't judge people. They always ask questions. What is going on? Why did you do this? Why did you do that? If you are the one that is wrong, they will let you know that you are the one that is wrong. If you are the one that is right, they will let you know that what you did was right or what you did was wrong. I love them about that. They don't just come and arrest people anyhow without asking questions. What is going on? I really love what I will still be talking about what I love in Italy. In Italy, when you are pregnant and you go to hospital, the way they treat person, the way they treat pregnant women. Seriously, I am in love with them. I am in love with them. The way they treat people, the way they ask funny questions, the way they ask you, how are you doing? How is your baby doing? I hope you are doing fine. I hope you are not stressing yourself. I hope you are eating well. Many things, many talk. I hope you are not feeling sick. I hope you are not thinking. If you are thinking, stop thinking. It will not help you. Many things. They will start encouraging you, you know. The way they treat you, they will treat you like president. I don't, you know, I really love what they are doing. They encourage people a lot. Their word encourage people a lot. Even if you feel like I was thinking about this, I was thinking about that, but the way they will speak to you, you will feel like I'm okay. There is no need for me to be thinking anyhow. Seriously, I love them about that. They ask many questions. They want to know how you are feeling. They want to know how you are doing. They want to make sure that you are okay. You know, I really love what they are doing. I love what they are doing. They as in, they care about people very well. They care about people. I love what they are doing. And then I will still be talking about what I love in Italy. Maybe you are pregnant and you want to take a bus, and that bus, there's no space for you to sit down. They don't care if you are a black or white. They are ready to stand up for you to sit down. Come and sit down. They are ready to stand up for you to sit down. I have experienced a lot. I will just enter inside the bus. Before you know, someone will say, come and sit down. Come and sit down. They will just stand up for you to sit down. Seriously, I love what they are doing. They care about people very well. Seriously, I love them about that. Yeah, I love them about that. When you see good thing, say it out. When you see bad thing, say it out. Seriously. And another thing I will be talking about is that when you need help from Italian people, when you need help from them, and maybe you guys were friends before, or yeah, maybe you guys are friends, and you have a Italian friend and you need help from them, and if they can help you, they are ready to help you. They don't care if you are a black or any other thing. They are ready to help you. Even if they cannot help you, if they have someone that can help you out, they are ready to call that person. Look at what this person is passing through. This person needs help. They are ready to help you. I love them about that. They are ready to help you out what you are facing. Once you tell them what you are facing, once you tell them your situation, look at what I'm facing, I need help, they are ready to help you out. I love what they are doing. I really love them. But I know it's not everybody that can do. But if you meet the right person, they are ready to take their time to help you out. Yeah, I really love them about that. Another thing I will be talking about is Italian people don't keep secrets. They don't keep secrets. I love them about that. If they want to judge you, if they want to say something in your front, if they want to judge you in your front, they will judge you in your front. They won't judge you in your back. They will say it in your front, and you will be hearing them what they are saying, and they will be saying it in your front. I love them about that. They don't know how to keep secrets. Maybe if you have something like this and you tell one of your Italian friend, before you know it, that your Italian friend will tell another person. Look at my friend, or look at what is passing through, she need help, or those kind of things. From there you can get help. They don't keep secrets. I love them about that. Seriously, I love what they are doing. I love what they are doing. I love them about that. So guys, this is all I have to say for today's video. Love what you see. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn the bell notification on so that you will be notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.